if a person is trespassing on another person's property, then the duty that is owed to the trespasser is very, very low. Basically, a landowner, for instance, owes a trespasser on his or her property the duty to not intentionally harm you. So if, for instance, you wandered onto someone's property and their dog bit you, as long as the owner didn't sick the dog on you or intentionally encourage the dog to bite you, your case would not be a very good one. Oh, absolutely. If you are invited onto someone's property, say you're a guest, and their dog bites you, then the dog owner could be responsible for your injuries. Generally in Texas, the law is that a dog has to have vicious propensities and have demonstrated those in the past in order for the dog owner to be responsible for the dog biting someone. So let's take a situation where you're invited over to someone's house for a party. They have a dog who has bitten people before. The owner doesn't take the proper precautions to put the dog up, and the dog bites someone at the party. Then that dog owner would be responsible and liable for the injuries caused by the dog. Sure, we've actually handled a case or two like that where a dog has bitten another dog and either caused it great harm or even killed it. And you know, the fact that the dog is treated as an item of property, you're entitled to sue the dog owner for the value of your dog. Things like sentimental value don't really enter into the equation, unfortunately, but just the very black and white value of the dog would be recoverable. In Texas, one of the elements that would have to be proved in a dog bite case is that the dog had vicious propensities and that the owner either knew or should have known of that. So let's take the example where you're at someone's house and their little pet poodle that has never hurt a fly before up and bites you. Well, that's probably not a very good case because the owner, one, wouldn't be on notice that poodles generally have a propensity to do that, and specifically the owner didn't know that that particular dog had a propensity to do that. So that would not lend itself to a very good case. On the other hand, if you're at someone's house and they have a pit bull, for example, that has been trained to fight, and it's known to be a somewhat of a dangerous breed, for one, and two, that specific dog has been trained in a way to make it aggressive, then that pet owner would be very responsible for any damage caused by that dog.